here is the latest on the Jeff Hardy's WWE return confirmed. So without being said, we should discuss this. Jeff and Matt Hardy's TNA contract will expire next month, and WWE reportedly is very interested in bringing the due back to the company. It doesn't mean that the ex-WWE tag team champs will go back to the company that helped make them one of the most popular teams in the history of the professional wrestling. That remains to be, but if WWE makes them the right offer, we could see them back in the company at some point of his year. On Monday's Wrestling Observer Radio, Dave Meltz weighing in the possibility of Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy returning to WWE and what it will take to bring them back. For Matt, I don't see him going back to WWE. The odds are the better now than they have been couple of months ago, because he wouldn't have gotten pushed in WWE as old Matt Hardy. He would just have been there to job, and he could make more money and keep his rep better and working on his own schedule in TNA. Now you could make an argument that the gimmick, he could merchandise the gimmick and make a killing in WWE. Thing is, in the TNA he's gonna have a creative control of things which he would not have in WWE. And Jeff, I don't know, Jeff may wanna stay with Matt and just do the gimmick as well. As Jeff has no need to go back to WWE. They are both making really good money and they both have saved a lot of the money. Jeff's body is really beaten up and it's really hard schedule. I know they're probably thinking of the Jeff Hardy's mind that he could come in the WWE for his last run, and that last bit of exposure, it could happen if Jeff gonna back to the WWE as a burden up. He'll be a star there because he had a lot of charisma, more than the guys that are there. I don't see them putting him in any championship picture. So this was the statement of the Dave Meltz. These all confirm that Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy are possibly returning to WWE for their last run, but not for a main world title or a tag time feud. This could be an occasional appearance or somewhat. So tell me in the comment section down below, guys, do you want to see Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy return? So thank you for watching, guys. You're watching WWE, and I'm Arman Madhon.